IKEA is taking another big step into the smart home arena, this time bringing a fresh lineup of affordable, Matter-compatible sensors to customers in the US. After debuting across parts of Europe late last year, 4 of the brand's newest devices have officially landed online at IKEA.com, and they might be some of the most budget-friendly smart sensors on the market right now. Let's break down what's new and how these little gadgets could upgrade your home's intelligence on a serious budget. First up is the Alpstuga Air Quality Sensor, priced at $29.99. This one stands out instantly thanks to its sleek oblong display. It gives you real-time readings of CO2 levels, PM 2.5 particles, temperature, and humidity. Imagine pairing it with a smart air purifier. When the Alpstuga detects poor air quality, it can automatically kick your purifier into action. It's a smart, low-cost way to keep your environment healthier without constantly checking an app. Next are 2 ultra-affordable options at $9.99 each: the Myggspray Wireless Motion Sensor and the Klippbok Water Leak Sensor. Myggspray is great for automating indoor or outdoor lights, perfect for hallways, porches, or even garden paths. Meanwhile, Klippbok becomes your early warning leak detector. Just place it near appliances like a dishwasher or washing machine, and it alerts you the moment moisture is detected. It's simple tech that can prevent a very expensive problem. The most affordable newcomer is the Myggbett Door Window Sensor, coming in at $7.99. It keeps track of whether your doors or windows are open or closed, ideal for home security, energy savings, or just keeping tabs on a drafty room. There is one device still missing from the US lineup, the Timmerflotte Temperature and Humidity Sensor, expected to cost $9.99. No release date yet, but given the rest of the lineup, it's likely not far behind. All of these sensors connect to IKEA's Dirigera Smart Home Hub, giving you remote control and notifications through the IKEA Home Smart app. And thanks to Matter support, they can join other major ecosystems like Apple Home and Home Assistant without any complicated setup. With modern designs, cross-platform compatibility, and some of the lowest prices in the category, IKEA's new sensors are poised to shake up the smart home space in a big way. Whether you're automating your lights, monitoring air quality, or safeguarding your home from leaks, these gadgets deliver a lot of value for just a few dollars. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Which of IKEA's new sensors are you most excited to try?